Hey, welcome back to my channel Hawk Academy. Today I discuss about the pivot table function in Excel. Okay, in this video you see that here is a data. It's a long data. Actually it's a football match summary of a spectator. How many spectators are available in each and every match, okay, and each and every slot. And here you see that this is date and its club name and its spectator slot 1 2 3 4 etc. And here you see that it's a very long data, and we try to summarize this data by pivot table. Okay, for decades Excel users have relied on pivot table to transform row and column of information into meaningful reports. Now there was something even better: the new pivot function. This handy tool lets you summarize and analyze the data right within a formula without the need for separate pivot table. It's fully dynamic, update in real time, and fits perfectly into your existing workflow. Okay, and pivot function in Excel is designed to group data by row and column and aggregate the associated value. Additionally, it can do sorting and filtering of the result. Okay, and first of all we should pivot table, and we should maintain some indication. Here you see that some indication. Each column has header. Okay, each column must be header and no empty row or column, and no total or subtotal row. It's the main indication for pivot table, otherwise it will not make pivot table. Okay, first of all now we want to see the summary. Here you see that this data are various, okay, and Manchester City, various time. And how can we find this data without summary? And we try to find out the Manchester City, how many spectators in slot 1 2 3 4 5 with by date. This I wanna summarize this data by dates and spectators and club wise. Okay, and it's only possible by pivot table. Let's start. And first of all we should go here, insert, and we select pivot table. Here you see that create pivot table, and you also see that choose the data that you want to analyze. Okay, this is the source of data, table range. Okay, and you can select here new or worksheet or existing worksheet, and we try to do it by new worksheet because of so that we can do it very easily. Okay, and we go and transform this data to new worksheet, and you see that here is a pop-up, and we can drop down this. Okay, and here you see that the pivot table. Okay, this is pivot table 6. And now first of all we arrange this data by date wise, and we drop down this data here. First of all you see that here is all date format and date are coming here. Okay, now we try to show this data by club wise. Okay, and here you see that date wise club. Okay, the match are occurred according to date. Okay, by this club wise and date wise. And now we try to find out according to slot. Okay, and here you see that on the date of 29 4 and 24. Okay, that means 29th April, and the match are AFC and Arsenal, Aston Villa. Okay, the spectator are 177 total, and this is subtotal of 20th April match. Okay, this is subtotal of this data of this club, and here you see that 6th, okay, 1st June and this data, and here you also see that 1st July and August, okay, May, and you see that this is subtotal according to this match. Okay, and now we try to summarize this data by spectator wise, and we see this here, and you see that this summary. Okay, in this whole data, you see that the summary of this data is date wise, the spectator and club count, etc. Okay, in slot 1 club are 15. Okay, club 15, in slot 1 match spectator are 177, and here you also see that in club 17 on the date of 1st June the spectator number are 148, and here you see that 1st July the spectator number are 66 and club number are 7. Okay, and now we try to add another spectator, and here you see that this total spectator are bring, okay, it's a spectator slot. Okay, and we try to, and you see that this data are bring as a spectator slot. Okay, and if we show this result by date wish, okay, and here you see that this date wish. Okay, you see that this data are date wish, and if we see this data by only club wish, you see that club wish slot. Okay, and if we select only single date, we can date here, and we select here, you see that we only try to see that 29th April what match are occurred and what are slots are available. Okay, you see that in April 29 you see that this match are venue and these slots are available. Okay, 29, and if we want to see that the 1st July what match are and spectator venue are available, and you see that this is 1st July this match or happen and this spectator available place. Okay, and if we want to see that 6th May, okay, and you see that here is Chelsea, Arsenal and Manchester City spectator quantity, and this is slot 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and now we try to this date, and here you see that if this mess are occur by date wish. Okay, and you see that, and now we see this full data, okay, by date wish. And we try to here, and club are down. Okay, here you see that, and if we clear this filter, this all data are available, and you see that the date wish and club wish. Okay, and you can maximize or customize this all data as your mindset, as your expectation. Okay, and you can see the total number of club, spectator quantity. Okay, you see this spectator quantity according to club. Okay, and here you also see that this the spectator slot 1 to 3 as per club wish. Okay, if we want to see only Chelsea, how many match? Okay, only we want to see how many match are occurred by Chelsea. You see that in raw data, you see that here is 88 slot. Okay, 8 slot. Now you can check here, 8 slots are available. Okay, 8 slots are available, and you can see that only Chelsea match are how many? Okay, and in slot 1 48, slot 2 18, slot 3 20, slot 4 12, and slot 5 0. Okay, you see that slot 5 are not any match. Okay, slot 6 etc. you can see. And if you wanted to see another club match, here is Arsenal, and you see that Arsenal match are occurred in this quantity, slot 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, everything. And if we see this by date, okay, and here you see that Chelsea match in the date of June what, and you see that in match 1 Chelsea club match are occurred in slot 1 4, slot 2 4, and slot 3 3, and slot 4 1. Okay, as your customized data, you can select anything by this pivot table. Actually, this pivot table, you can summarize your data by seeing a single look, and you can do it. Okay, this is the advanced Excel function, and you see here pivot is dynamic array function. As such, it's automatically split the result into as many cells as need. The output is a dynamic summary report similar to pivot table but without formatting. Okay, and row field, column field value function. And actually this is all about today's pivot table. In next pivot table class, I'll try to show you broadly more and more, and we can drop down here. Okay, and you can everything in this, and you can see everything in here by summarize. Okay, that's all about today's pivot table. Thank you everyone, and stay tuned with Hawk Academy for your Excel journey.